Hi everyone, welcome to Campkin.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2020 Avenger 26BK. So this is a 26-foot bunk model with an outdoor kitchen, and it's a great little family trailer. So you can see here on the outside, we've got the outdoor kitchen with a grill, plumbed sink, and also the fridge. It's got a doggy D-ring on it and a bottle cap opener. It's got some great solid step entrance steps. And then inside, we'll start in the bedroom. So you can see in the bedroom area here, there's lots of storage above the head of the bed. There's plugs on both sides of the bed. And of course, there is storage as well. There's a spot to hang the TV. And then we also do have a pocket door that can close as well in the bedroom. Here in the living area, you've got a great sofa here, which actually does face where the TV is in the trailer. And it's very, very comfortable. You've got stainless steel undermount sink. You've got seamless countertops, some recent class accents in the cabinetry. Then you've got your stainless steel microwave, glass top stove. You've got a good size gas electric fridge available. And then over here, you've got a good cabinet, lots of storage around that. Take a look at the washroom here. So you've got a shower surround and a nice big shower in the washroom. What people like about this trailer too is the bunks are big. So the bunks are wide and long. So if you have teenagers, it works really, really well for them. And then over here in the dinette, you've got a nice big window in front of the dinette. So it's a really, really great layout, lots of great features, and also, of course, a great price. So folks, this is the 2020 Avenger 26BK, available now at Campkin's. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.